mga ka-foodsters, and welcome back again to my channel. And in this video, we're gonna learn how to make chicharron, or in English is pork cracklings. It is very easy, guys. Doesn't need a lot of effort, but it takes a lot of waiting time. So let's start, guys.
Roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. Better, oh yeah. Before you I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. Baby, don't be shy. Just follow yours and I'll follow mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good, something good. I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good.
And so here you go, guys, our chicharron or pork crackling is done already, and it's ready to munch, and it's really crunchy. So you see, it's very easy. It doesn't take a lot of effort. You just only need to get ready with your pork skin, and it's not that cost too much, and it's ready to go. You only need a waiting time for 3 days, which is not that long, guys. And it's really good for business too. This is as the same as the one you saw on the market, or even like on duty free for Pasalobong. This is really good, guys. So thank you everyone for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, God bless, and bye bye.